Greetings, beloved beings of light. Hope you're having a most beautiful, blessed day. It's a glorious day here in La Matrica, the divine creatrix. Look at these beautiful colors coming through on this most sacred portal here. Every day is a sacred portal now, as you all know. You see Mother Earth, see the crystalline codes coming through. I'm at this very beautiful garden here, Washington State. I wanted to show you some of these amazing colors coming through, these vibrant colors of these Gaia's children here. Taking a lot of photos today for my transmissions to bring some beauty to all of you on this most pristine new earth. It's bringing some more of these codes here. This magnificent tree here, these soft bristles, some kind of evergreen tree of some sort. It's like a cross between a willow tree and a cedar or pine. Never seen anything quite like that. A lot of creatures out here, a lot of the winged nations. These gardens are magnificent here. Mother Earth, hope you're having a most beautiful, blessed day. Get out to nature. Take in these amazing rays, these healing rays. Get on the earth. Wanted to show you this most beautiful sacred flower here. I was just taking pictures of. Check this out. That'll be in several of my videos coming up. Got some amazing shots of that, some macro shots. Here's my camera tripod setup. Taking probably 500 pictures here already in the last half hour. You know, we have a group coming up here. These gardens are very vast. Many flowers. There's thousands of flowers blooming here today. There's just trails upon trails here. This other side of that tree. That light shining in, these new rays of crystalline codes of the Christos Sophia consciousness. Hopefully the voice is coming through okay. The mic on this camera is not very good. We use what we got. Hope for the best. As I've been out here for a while, about an hour in this sacred gardens, feeling this energy coming over me that I wanted to transmit to all of you on this precious day. The new earth energies. We are on the new earth. We're bringing in the codes. We're holding the higher frequencies, the higher resonance of heaven on earth. It's just like paradise here in this portal. You get out to nature, you see these vibrant colors, these greens, these blues, these purples, the winged nations all around this here. It's a hummingbird earlier, Walela, the sacred hummingbird. So we're feeling into these sacred energies of the kingdom of heaven on earth. See, the kingdom of heaven is within. See, and you realize this when you quiet the mind, when you get into the stillness. You see, heaven is in the stillness. It's in the silence. When we sit or stand still, we become still in body, mind, and spirit. We turn off the internal dialogue. This is when we realize our true nature, the Buddha mind of pure awareness. That's what we call heaven. It's this state of total peace, total tranquility. We find that in the stillness within. That's why the masters through time said, "Seek ye the kingdom of heaven within yourself." Heaven is everywhere, but if you can't find it within, you can't find it anywhere, because it is a mirror. The internal reflects and mirrors the external mirrors the internal. It's like a two-way street. Or coming and going. So as I stood, this amazing energy coming in today, I realized the mind may feel like it's navigating in between worlds, in between two worlds, heaven and earth, but it's also, the mind might get pulled into these states of the mirror, of the future, past coming together, see merging together. It's the merging of the future with the past with the future, all into present. It's the Trinity coming together, the Trinity codes you see coming through these rays of the sun. We're feeling into it, feeling into these sacred rays, the new earth energy flowing in. So it's best to stay grounded in this now, in your heart center. Stay in your sacred heart. In the presence, the pure presence of your pure awareness here now, in this body where I always am. So feel into these divine codes. Our locus solaris is blasting us with these higher rays, sacred rays, and we hear the songs of the birds all around us. Sounds of nature, Mother Earth of Gaia, calling us home to her garden, which is the kingdom of heaven, the new Eden, heaven on earth. We find this within. When we find heaven within, we find heaven everywhere. When we stay in that peace, we stay in the bliss, stay in the joy of our true nature, which is Christ consciousness, Buddha. I wanted to thank all of you supporting us in this work and mission of full planetary liberation. Thank you for joining our team on Patreon, sending donations, and thank you to all of you that are joining us in our fundraiser auction. I'll put the link below. We have some spiritual items. My sacred condor made a very beautiful fairy mobile with a flower and several little bees. So we'll put that link below in the description and in the comments to the video on our fundraiser auction. Look at these little poppies or orange sedge. Look at those beauties. So thank you all very much. We appreciate all of you and your support, helping us continue bring our transmissions, teachings, and wisdom to the world. So thank you all very much. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Namaste. At the Bumblebee Nation out here today, spreading their pollens and nectars, making their honeys. Enjoy your day. The eagle and the condor send you so much love, blessings, and bliss in the light. A'ho. Namo Amida Butsu. Namo Amida Butsu. Namo Amida Butsu. Aho. So I must bid you all adieu for now. Keep anchoring in your light. Keep anchoring in your love. Surround yourself with nature, with your people, with your tribe, with your divine counterparts, your family, your friends, your community. Keep anchoring in the love, the light of infinite source creator in this now, in this eternal now. So we send you so much love, blessings and bliss, and the light of infinite source creator. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Namaste. Aho.